This is the Google Nest Wi-Fi Pro. It's designed to provide you with fast and reliable internet coverage throughout your home. I've had it for a few months now and have used pretty much every home Wi-Fi device you can think of. So in this video, I'll share everything you need to know before you decide to buy this. Inside the box, you'll find the Nest Wi-Fi Pro router, a power adapter, and a quick start guide. I've found setting it up to be fairly simple, taking only a few minutes. I started by plugging the router into an outlet, installing the Google Home app on my phone, and from there, it guided me through a step-by-step process, from naming the network to setting up passwords, making the whole thing a really smooth experience. Once everything's set up, using it becomes effortless. The device handles all the work. Through the app, I can check the network, monitor performance, and run speed tests from time to time. It provides fast and reliable internet throughout my house without me having to really do anything. I find this device to be super minimalistic and modern. It has a rounded, glossy design with dimensions of 5 inches in length, 5 inches in breadth, and 3 inches wide, weighing just over a couple of pounds. It comes in a variety of colors, allowing you to choose one that best fits your room. It's also really durable and lightweight, so it's not a hassle to move if needed. I was truly impressed with this device's strong coverage. It does an excellent job of tackling any dead zones, making it perfect for medium to large-sized homes like mine. It also provides a super fast and reliable connection, being 2 times faster than Wi-Fi 6, with bands ranging from 2.4 GHz to 6 GHz. One of my favorite features is actually the ability to see all the devices connected to my Wi-Fi network and prioritize bandwidth for specific activities like streaming or gaming. I also find myself rarely worrying about security, as it receives automatic updates and secure booting to help protect my network from hacks or unauthorized software. Overall, this device has truly impressed me with its ability to provide fast, reliable internet throughout my entire house, even while streaming or gaming. At the end of the day, if you're looking for a home Wi-Fi solution without much hassle, I strongly recommend the Nest Wi-Fi Pro.